Hello everyone again. I'm going to dive deep into price action and the power supply and demand imbalances as always. And I'm going to talk about patience too, because in trading, patience together with money management are the number two things you need to take control of together with your mindset. I mean, no strategy will work if you do not have enough patience and your mindset is not the right one. So patience is really, really crucial. And using the bigger time frames will help you not only understand and find out and learn where the big investors and professional traders are placing the trades so you can trade with them, but also it will help you with your mindset. So I'm using this example, there are hundreds of them, but I was analyzing this one, updating this one on Southern Line Training Academy this morning. This company is called Ormat Technologies Incorporation with ticker ORA. And it's trading the New York Stock Exchange, and it is an international company in the US that supplies alternative and renewable geothermal energy technology. So it's got like $4.4 billion market capitalization. And let me talk about price action here, supply and demand, and patience, because it is all about that, okay? You can use as many stock strategies as you want, intraday, scalp, whatever you want. I mean, but if you don't know where to buy and sell based on what the professional investors are doing, then probably you will be trading here into demand, selling in the smaller time frames like here, or buying when price reaches that area of supply at $80 per share. So these four price action formations, candlestick formations, price action, okay, are imbalances, all those four, okay? So what happens to them? So you might be wondering, well, that area of demand here was created the 28th of around to September 2020, and it took like 3 years to retrace, and then it reached that area. Not only it reached that imbalance, it kissed it. I mean, it just dropped like a couple cents and then reacted like about 23%. I mean, after 3 years, how many years? 20, 23, 3 years of time, okay? So after that reaction, okay, we have the strong imbalance again that was created at the end of 2023, beginning of 24, January, and then it took 4 weeks to retrace, and then it's been rallying ever since, okay? So these imbalances have a similar trait or feature. I mean, we've got a very strong rally, larger than the average, okay? See the price action there, very large candlestick bodies with price closing very high in the candlestick range. So these candlestick formations, together with price action in general, reading what is going on, will help you, I mean, plan trades with weeks, months in advance, days if you are using smaller time frames. But as you can see, these rally here in December 23, then price dropped, then it rallied again, very strong rally. Again, we have like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have to wait. It took a few months for price to drop, and then it is right at the end of February 2025, like a month ago, that this demand level was reached again. And it is trying to break these highs, and the stock will continue rallying up there. So when price reaches these demand levels, okay, and made of very strong bullish price action, okay, then we can start using smaller time frame stock strategies, option bullish strategies. We can use intraday if you want. You can sell premium, buy premium. I mean, you can do whatever you want. You can buy CFDs, but you know now where to buy. Okay, it's like, okay, price has been rallying. Oh, wow, I'm going to buy. And then price drops after 2 weeks. for those swing traders. Okay, so these are swing long-term type of trades based on supply and demand and price action, and patience helps a lot, because if you are not patient, why are you going to wait here for 4 weeks? I mean, you see this bullishness on Ormat Technologies. Okay, I'm going to buy. And then suddenly it drops. Why? Because after a very strong rally, we wait for a correction to the origin of the move. That's it. The rule, very important rule. Okay, when trading stocks or any other asset, cryptos, forex, ETFs, it doesn't matter. So after a very strong sell-off, okay, as you can see, if we find a new strong demand level over there, that's like a very important, recipe. It's the perfect recipe for buying, because price, let's say it's overextended, this stock is overextended, and now price action is telling us, hey, we have reached that strong area demand. We can see now price is reacting, it's accumulating, it's time to buy. Okay, and there is nothing to stop the stock from rallying to that area of supply around $80 per share. Okay, if these highs are broken, we get like full candles or candle closing above, or price full candle, even better, then there's nothing to stop Ormat Technologies stock from rallying there. But you need to be patient, because if you are not patient, you are not going to wait for a couple of months here, a couple of months there. It doesn't mean that you won't be able to trade anything else. There are hundreds of stocks and cryptos and ETFs and forex cross pairs, so you can trade many of them. But the higher probability for these impulses, okay, when price creates, the price action is showing you the strength of the move, like this one here too, then it's telling you in the smaller time frames, obviously do not buy here, because you would be buying after a very strong rally. Okay, so you need to wait. You can see the process of distribution there. We've got two spinning tops, and then price action wise is telling us, okay, very strong impulse. It loses steam with those indecision candles, and price drops heavily. Okay, and the same thing is happening here. Price drops heavily, reaches the area of demand, so you start instead of selling, you're waiting for buying, but here instead of selling, you're waiting to buy, because it is already at that strong demand level. Okay, so price action wise, it's very strong demand too, so you can start using price action strategies to trade stocks, using the demand levels as, let's say, the foundations for placing a trade. That together with patience, because patience is so important. Otherwise, you're going to be chasing out the trades, as you already have done in the past. I'm sure we all have done that. So I am no exception. You are not either. So let's hope that this continues to rally, or maybe we'll drop here from where we can start thinking of going long again. If price gets up there in this stock, then this strong impulse over there, we should be closing any long positions. We should not be buying, adding shares or CFDs or bullish option contracts, expecting that this imbalance made of this super strong base price action to be eliminated. Do not expect that, okay? Do not assume it, because if you assume it, you are going to be holding your longs. Not a good idea. If you expect, you're going to expect for that imbalance to be eliminated and manage your long position aggressively. Okay, so this is just one of many examples that explain supply and demand and price action, and how being patient will give you a lot of good results. Remember that if you do not manage your positions accordingly, if your money management trading plan is not correct and you do not have enough patience, obviously you are going to be probably missing lots of trades and making unnecessary mistakes and having unnecessary losses. This is a bigger time frame, the weekly time frame. You can use smaller time frames when price drops down there on the daily. you're going to see accumulation. You can use other indicators, oscillators that might be pointing you and saying, okay, you can buy now. I mean, there are many of them, many smaller time frames and intraday and scalping strategies that will help you take a trade over there based on the fact that we have a super strong demand level on the weekly and we're expecting this. So now that you know where to buy, you can find or use many different stock strategies, including supply and demand, obviously, to trade on the way up. Hopefully these type of videos are helping you understand price action a little bit more. If you like the video, please click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. I will be sharing many more videos explaining how this works. Have a great day.